This is live Blitz game 10. Let's see if we can. Oops. Let's see if we can go again. See what chess players are playing right now and who I get paired up with, quote unquote, quote i.e. randomly. Yeah, it's not really that late with daylight savings time, so let's keep going. Another white. So let's see what I can do with this bird system, the reverse Leningrad. Dutch. Is he playing? Mabali 95. What do you got for me against F4? First move. Oh, Brahms Gambit. Stellar. He's giving up a pawn in this opening for an attack. Totally ready to face this opening. I don't think it's that good. Going for the king side, Fianchetto. Castle. Very strong. Let's see if I Fianchetto on the other side. Slice this, the board in half, really. It's so open. Or if he does something to prevent that. He's going for his own now. Yeah, I can just play this now. Pretty sure. Wins something. Now this bishop slicing the board in half. Going all the way through the center to the other corner. Looks funny because my queen side is still in its infant stage. Yet I have a huge advantage. Maybe d4 is going to be called for now that his knight's in the center like that. I can do it with tempo. Just flick it in and then my bishop's ready to go. What's he up to? Doesn't seem like much. Looks like just a promise for an attack, an empty promise. Like that. Ugh. Knight sack. Oh, and then the other knight comes in. I'm not seeing it though, because my g3 pawn's guarding h4 for his queen. Yeah. I don't think that would have ever worked. I even looked at some other variations just now. That wasn't good at all. I see what he's threatening. It's not bothering me. Yeah, I'm still going to play this because that's just such a great move and it gives more scope to my queen and prevents the little tactic that he thought he had, which isn't a tactic technically. So I'm looking really solid right here. On the point thing, it says I'm up 5 pawns. So he thinks he's gonna win my e2 pawn. I'm up so much that I can just put on e3 where that's going to be defended always. Leave my bishop there and find another way to get my queen's rook out into play while he dances around having no potency. Obviously I have to move my bishop right now. Move it there with tempo. It's good, it's good. Oh yeah, it's with tempo. But he didn't respect that. Bye bye rook. That was your last rook. Uh, yeah, not seeing much for him. I see some potential attack for me actually over here since he did that weird stuff and changed my plans. His queen ain't even in the game. Okay, I take that back. His queen's in the game a little bit, but not enough. See, the knight was looking at the center and then controlling the center. He's done.